Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video for your Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how to fix real-time protection is not turning on. If you are having this problem that you cannot turn on this real-time protection, so in this video I'm going to show you two methods how to fix this problem. So let's start the video. First of all, the first method is to go to your search option. Now here search edit group policy, just double click it here, and now on the left side of the window you can see administrative templates. Expand that option here, and now here the Windows component, expand that option again. Now you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you can see Microsoft Defender antivirus. Click that option, and on the right side, as you can see, turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Just double click it here. And here on the left side, you can see disable option. Just click it here and select OK. And after doing that, you need to restart your PC. And in this way, you can fix your problem. If this method doesn't fix, there is another method. Now go to search option again, and here search CMD. And right click it here and select run as administrator. Click yes. Now you have to give two commands here. I will provide those two commands on the description. Just copy that command from the description and now paste it here and select enter. And as you can see, the beginning system scan, this process will take some time, so you have to wait patiently. As you can see, verification 1% complete, so just give it a minute, it will complete. Now after finishing the first command, go to the second command. Also select this from the description and copy it and now paste it and select enter. As you can see, this is the beginning of the scan. You have to wait another minute to finish the process. Just be patient. As you can see, the process is already began. So wait for the process to finish. Now as you can see, my scanning process is complete. Now type exit here and enter. And after doing this, restart your PC and your real-time protection problem will be solved. Just turn on that, click yes, and as you can see, my real-time protection is now on. So in this way you can fix this problem. So I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.